Good morning, sixth graders. I hope you've been having a good week. Today it is Thursday. I hope you had a good recharge day yesterday, Wednesday. Hope you got a chance to get outside. It was beautiful out. I even went outside and did some grading yesterday, sitting on a picnic table outside my house. Couple of things as we wrap up the week. Today, I would like you to finish up the reading assignment from Tuesday, although I did not have it published on Tuesday, but none of you told me that. You got to remember to tell me when I make mistakes, okay? But that is posted up there now. It's just a reading packet about waves. You do not need to mark the text if you do not want to. You can simply read it and fill in the questions in the margins, and then submit that into Schoology, okay? That What Are Waves reading assignment. Tomorrow, you will have a waves simulation to do. It is a PhET simulation. We did a couple of those earlier in the year when we were doing things with Newton's laws. And so there is a link to the website for you to use to get there, and then there's a worksheet for you to fill out as you're doing the labs. Mr. Rocco also does have an introduction video for you to watch as you go through it, and I'm sure he's going to give you some great tips that are going to help us fill out the worksheet as we go. Okay, please let me know if you've got any questions. Just a reminder, any assignments can still be turned in, and anything you turn in is going to help your grade. Okay, so please make sure you're taking advantage of that, getting stuff turned in, even if it's past the due date. Okay. If you have any questions, again, please let me know. Send me a Schoology message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. All right, and a good rest of the week. Talk to you later.